barbecue season has just started and I'm kicking the things off with a great recipe. Grilled chicken, crispy baked potatoes, and a refreshing salad. I know you all crave juicy grilled chicken, crispy baked potatoes, and a super refreshing salad with an amazingly delicious sauce. So let me show you how to make it. First, prepare the marinade for the chicken. In a deep bowl, place the chopped garlic, lemon juice and zest, olive oil, mustard, some salt and ground black pepper to taste, and Vegeta Natur chicken seasoning. Stir the mixture until combined. Dip the chicken pieces well into the mixture and leave them for 15 minutes in the marinade. This way you will get a tremendous spicy chicken. Grill the chicken meat in a preheated outdoor grill for about 7 to 10 minutes on each side. If you don't have an outdoor grill or an electric grill, you can totally use well-heated grill pan or just a regular pan. Put the grilled chicken in a bowl and cover it with aluminum foil. This way, all the chicken juices will stay in the meat and you will enjoy nice and tender chicken. Now let's make the crispy baked potatoes. Put peeled and chopped potatoes in a bowl and season them with salt and ground black pepper. Vegeta Natur spice for crispy potatoes, dried oregano, thyme, and olive oil. Mix the potatoes well with all the spices and transfer them to a pan lined with parchment paper. Bake in preheated oven and 350 Fahrenheit on 180 Celsius degrees for about 35 to 40 minutes. You will know they are ready when they are crispy and lightly golden brown in color. To make the salad, place the fresh mixed greens in a deep bowl, and in another bowl place the olive oil, minced garlic, sour cream, mustard, Vegeta Natur salad seasoning, and chicken juices. Mix them well and then add the sauce into a bowl with the fresh salad. Mix until combined. To serve this recipe, place the grilled chicken and crispy baked potatoes in a plate and decorate them with some fresh salad. In a small sauce bowl, add the remaining sauce and decorate the dish completely. The whole list of the ingredients you will find in the description box down below. Don't forget to subscribe for a lot more recipes coming in future. Follow me on social media and have fun cooking until the next time.